You having fun rubbing that bumper? You love rubbing don't you?
Eh?
You love rubbing bumpers, don't you?
Oh yes.
Just like Reese. You like playing with it, don't you?
Do you know what an endoscope is?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what it is. It's a camera, right? And it goes up your
Welcome back into a day in the life of SprayTech, where you will see everything that goes on in the day-to-day running of the business, what all the techs are getting up to, and the progress on all the repairs that we do. So stay tuned.
This in for me.
Having a bumper repaired there. Got a blend into this front wing here for the corner. Not much damage really, but we've had to strip off the bumper on that to do a proper job.
Yeah, thank you. Looks better now. So yeah, this is an update on the Audi A3. As you can see, the wing is done. It needs a few coats of lacquer, but yeah, by 3 o'clock the whole car should be done. It's got a step up right there. Looks incredible. Obviously, the door handles auto open as well. Look at that interior. The car is fresh. Got 7,000 miles on the clock, as you can see right there. Oh, this is actually a long wheelbase, I think. But yeah, Monday morning. Fresh car, 24 plate. That's all wood, that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nasty car, this. So yeah, the car starts, drive. Fresh car, basically. Everything's new on it. It's basically a brand new car. But that rear damage. Oh, I didn't even show you guys, look. Soft close as well. Yeah, that's the only damage on it. It's hard to see, really. But yeah, that's the damage. But yeah, we'll give you some updates on that soon. Active on the Range Rover. He's already took that bit out.
Lower tailgate.
Lower tailgate, yeah, that's been removed. And yeah, should be done soon, hopefully. What's the damage on it?
brake pedal scratched.
Brake pedal scratched. Can't see any damage on it.
A bit like the Range Rover then, mate.
Okay, yeah, it is a bit like the Range Rover. So the rear bumper, as you can see, and the rear bonnets, yeah, that should be an easy job. I don't think he knows how to put it in drive. Was that helpful? You couldn't get out of drive.
Remember, he used to have mine just
Oh my God, oh my God. Ow, ow. The whole thing's wobbling, it's wobbling around. That's better, isn't it? Banging that, yeah?
Almost banging.
Do you want to put in?
Oh,
What would you rather, this or your SVR?
I think for a driver, SVR, but this inside looks real. It's like, I think I'd rather be driven in this though, because the back is just chilling.
Yeah.
I couldn't have this interior, man. The interior is like cream or ivory.
You don't like it?
No, it's nice, but go if you mind with me getting in it. Look at. Imagine me jumping in after work.
Yeah, not allowed.
Browning up the seat, yeah, no. Nice car, don't get me wrong. I'd have to have a kit on it though. It's a bit standard in it, do you know what I mean? I think what the wheels on this, these are
24s are doing it.
23s. I'd put 24s on it.
Urban kit. Looks fancy, that, isn't it? Everything about the car looks nice, eh? What's this for, a Sprinter? Kieran?
no, it's that Audi actually.
That's an Audi.
Mercedes outside.
That's a nice Audi, that. Nice bumper.
Nice bumper.
Yeah. You having fun rubbing that bumper? You love rubbing don't you?
Eh?
You love rubbing bumpers, don't you?
Oh yes.
Just like Reese. You like playing with it, don't you? Maybe like 3-4 grand for that bumper, right there. Guys, the struggle is real. Been on this bumper for about half an hour right now, and we cannot figure out how to take it off. Yes guys, good morning. It's a Tuesday morning, and we got this Audi A4 Avant. This has got front bumper, it needs a front bumper, left headlight, and that's it, I think. I'm just gonna keep doing all my checks on this car. I'll take you through it with me. So before we have any car in the shop, we do all the checks on it. For example, if the car's got any scratches, if the car's got any damage on it that we need to know about, then we write it all down on here and take pictures of it. Just in case it comes in, we don't do our checks on it, and the customer says, oh, well, that wasn't on it before, and it was, you know what I mean? So we do all our checks just in case. And we write the mileage, check engine light, any lights on the dash, everything. So there's the damage on the car, as you can see. The front bumper and the front grills bent in. going on with this?
One of the last jobs we needed to do was check the wheel alignment. Wheel alignment's way out because it's still got damage to the suspension and stuff. This was a hard hit on the near side front, but he hasn't done any repairs to the offside front. So we just wanted to take it away and go do some repairs on the offside front.
So it's not leaving us anytime soon.
No.
What, man? He's trying to stab me with a screwdriver. I can't be doing that. There's little kids that's going to be watching the YouTube videos. So the bumper's coming off, right? What are you doing then? Adjusting it?
Seeing it right, yeah. See, look at it. No screw in there.
So now the bonnet is not shutting properly, as you can see. So what's going on?
A customer has brought this car to us because the bonnet does not align to the front bumper here, and from further inspection, it's been held together by cable ties. There's no under tray. I think the problem is this headlight. It's not been positioned correctly, so that's holding down the bumper there on this side. Yeah, the car has been bodged together basically with cable tie. We've got to try and sort out the bodge.
What's this getting done on it?
Got damage all around, rear bumper, rear quarter, most of the arch trims, bonnet, bumper. Attempted theft, so it needs a GPS unit in there and stuff, and a lower dash trim.
So, updates on the Range Rover. The back bumper is getting painted, and that will hopefully be finished very soon. So what's going on with the RS2?
So yeah, just replacing a bumper, blending the colour into the rear wing and rear arches. Laid down the base coat now, drying it off, ready for the clear coat. Clearing the Audi, put it in bait in the next sort of 10 minutes, and it's ready for Luke then to put back together. Hopefully everything's turned out all right. Looks good so far.
So guys, quick update of what's going on here today. The Volvo XC40, repair's been done on the tailgate there. It just needs to be primed. We've got a new bumper on that, so that'll be fitted and painted together. The B-Class, the scratch repair on there, that is all prepped. We just need to prime it, and then final preparations for paint. Range Rover, that's been painted. It needs fitting back up. That's nearly done by Lou. And it needs a polish and then a valet, and then that's done. This T-Rock, we're waiting parts for that, so that's waiting to get done. Parts are here for this. I think we might have to wait for another couple. I think we might need a wheel or something like that, so we can get started on that as soon as we've got rid of some of this. Waiting for parts for this 2 Series, waiting for the customer to come in to assess the damage as the customer gets his own parts. So there's some damage to the radiator and the actual front panel, so I'm gonna get him to come in to have a look at that. What else we got? X-Class, we're awaiting parts from Mercedes for that, the rear bumper and a few other bits. Someone tried to rob this and they've taken the GPS module out from the dash, so we're waiting on that. That's what we got going on. We've got a few more over there, but you know.
Because we're doing the bonnet, we don't need to blend the bonnet because blend the colour, but lacquer it. I need to do that arch. Okay.
So for the people that don't know, what is a blend?
B-L-E-N-D.
Bellend.
Blend is, let's say, come here, I'll show you what. So let's say there's a grey car, yeah, and let's say the damage area is here by this door here. If we were to repair it, prime it and stuff like that, paint's gonna have to go directly to the edge of this panel here, yeah? And then because certain colours are hard to match, even though you get a Spectro, which is a camera which you put on the actual paintwork and it gives you a good colour reading, sometimes you just can't get a good match. So what a blend does is to save you from a colour difference between that and that, you blend into the door. You'd obviously prep out the whole door, and when you're painting the wing, flick in the colour into the door and gradually fade it out before it goes to the next panel, to the edge of that panel. So then naked eye, you would not see any colour if it flows nicely.
So like a fade into the different panels?
Yeah, but you wouldn't see it. That's what a blend is.
Yeah.
Fucking sat in the office while I was painting them.
Everyone look at us. Who the f is that guy? Is this
Anyway, enough of that. Thank you for watching. If you could please like, subscribe and share, that'd be much appreciated. Peace and blessings.